Let's make this cute Easter wall hanging today. We will need printed pattern. Link to buy pattern is in the description under the video. Hoop 9 inches. Raw fabric. Fabric should be stretched very tightly on the hoop. Felt for backing. Punch needle. Needle threader. Pencil. Scissors. Magnets or tape. Cord or string. PVA glue and brush. Yarn in desired colors. Glue gun. Cut out the pattern. I use reverse version of the pattern. Fix the pattern under the fabric with magnets. If you don't have magnets, use a tape. Redraw the pattern onto the fabric. Remove the pattern. Insert the needle threader into the eye of the needle, and then into the entire length of the needle. The needle threader should come out from the back into the center hole. Thread the end of the yarn through the loop of the needle threader. Pull the needle threader holder and gently pull the yarn through the needle. Start embroidering from the outline. Poke the needle all the way through the fabric, and then pull the needle out. Try not to raise the needle high above the fabric. Make small stitches. Approximately the length of the stitch should be equal to the thickness of the thread. Insert the needle strictly vertically. The open part of the needle should face in the direction of travel. Embroider the entire outline. If you get stuck, hold the last stitch with your finger and pull the needle out. Cut the yarn and start embroidering from a new area. To embroider a small area and not have to cut the thread every time, you can first go one way with stitches twice as long as usual, and then go back, sticking the needle in the middle between the previous stitches. This will give you a neat line that is the same thickness as the other lines. Continue embroidering the outline in the same way. I did not embroider the outlines of the patterns on the eggs, but if you want, you can embroider them. You should get something like this. Now we begin to color our picture. I start by repeating the outline of the part and then fill it in inside. Rows should be located close to each other. Keep painting your picture with the colors you like. Now, the front side looks something like this. Embroider patterns on eggs using the same principle. First the outline, then fill in inside. Keep coloring the eggs. I didn't like the orange color. To unravel it, you need to pull the edge of the yarn where you finished embroidering and rub the fabric with your fingernail or needle to even out the holes. Then embroider this area again. I fill the remaining space with white yarn. Now the finished work looks like this. To make the picture clear and neat, you need to untangle all the cross loops. If there are elongated loops, cut them off. Now everything is ready. Turn the work wrong side up. Apply a little PVA glue to your work and spread it over the entire embroidery. I use scrap plastic card on the main area and a brush for smaller details. Leave to dry for at least 12 hours. After the glue has dried, remove the work from the hoop. Trim off excess fabric, leaving 1 centimeter of piping around the work. Make cuts on the fabric around the entire perimeter. Glue the edges of the fabric inside the work using a glue gun. Be careful, the glue is very hot. Place a mark at the top center. Cut the lace 12 or 13 centimeters, about 5 inches. Fold it in half and secure it with a lighter. Apply a little glue to the embroidery where you place the mark and glue the loop. Prepare a piece of felt of a suitable size. We will apply the glue in parts since the surface is quite large. We start from the top of the wall hanging. Apply glue, glue it to the felt, press it, wait. Lift the work as much as possible and apply glue to the next part, glue it to the felt, etc. Carefully trim off any excess felt. Try not to touch the embroidery loops. If necessary, glue along the contour. Apply a small amount of glue and connect the felt with the loops so that there are no gaps left and the fabric is not visible. Your Easter wall decoration is ready. Thank you for watching.